which they were Filipino.
God. Hello, my fan!
Yanis.
Mapagpalayang gabi sa
Mabuhay! Happy Independence Day sa mga kapwa ko kababayan here in abroad at sa Pilipinas. Connecting, inspiring, and celebrating Filipino excellence ang ganap natin for today's video. Honoring our roots, hosted by Kalayaan Organizing Committee. Masaya ngang pinagdiwang ng mga kapwa ko kababayan dito sa Milan ang ika-128th anniversary of Philippines Independence Day. It's an honor for us to be invited in this kind of prestigious event together with Chibugan and my Team Lipad Content Creators Group here in Milan. Sabay-sabay nga kaming makikiselebrate for the very first time ng Kalayaan Ball. We just wanted to witness as a content creators here in Milan how it feels celebrating Independence Day with our fellow Filipino kababayan and to share a community the experience we have here. Actually, we are not just here to celebrate. As a content creators, we are also here to build, inspire, and connect to the community for our fellow kababayans na wala dito. Nagkaroon din nga kami ng photo opportunity with our Philippine Consul General, Jim Tito San Agustin. Nag-iwan siya ng isang magandang mensahe na kahit malayo tayo sa ating bansa, dapat nananatili pa din ang essence ng ating pagiging Pinoy, true bayanihan at patuloy na pagsuporta sa kapwa natin Pilipino. And also, we have a chance to have a brief encounter with our youth ambassador, Alex Galo. Grabe, nakaka-proud. There is something so special about being surrounded by our culture and community, no matter where we are in the world. Yung mga guests nga, they showcase their talents. May kumanta, may sumayaw, may cultural performances na nakakaaliw, choral singing, at marami pang iba. Overall, nag-enjoy kami for a first-time attendee of this kind of gala event ng Kalayaan. Ang gaganda ng mga Filipina gown wrapped with elegance and Pinay beauties. Yung mga barong Tagalog, grabe, very traditional. For this video and thank you muna kay Corn Taylor, one of the famous fashion designer, proud Filipino talents here in Milan, for making me this stunning and elegant gown. Yun lang, pinito na. A la próxima. Ciao!